And I want to show you something, guys. If you've been in the channel for long, I think you will remember how I bring this one here. Do you know this? This is ginseng. Pops accidentally cut this, pero it's okay. So the purpose of this, you can take off the whole thing and take off the roots, clean it, and if you want, you can put little alcohol there and you can drink it. Ginseng. That's great. I have two actually. 1 and 2.
What's up, guys? Look at this view. Today we will might little bit explore our area. We will go to Talos Falls. It's very near from us. Yes, we already been there with pups, and unfortunately we have only one motorcycle today because another one it's being fixed in Dumaguete. Yeah, and look at this view, guys. Also might bring our camera. Yeah, this camera is like how years old is one? 4 years old? Yeah.
I'll try to take photo, guys, and just check it on my Instagram.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're here. I will try to fly, maybe even from here, but I'm not sure I can take a signal. And the weather right now not so well. Maybe I will wait Gamay. And also I bring underwater box. I will show you what's there's under in this falls, like how deep is it. Maishka looking for plants already.
Welcome to Talos Falls. This is located in Santa Catalina, Negros Oriental. And look. On your way going here, it has a very nice view, mountain view, and nice falls. It's actually deep there. According to some locals, there's a man that we cannot see who is a caretaker or a guardian of this falls. Vanya's flying a drone now, and there's lots of fish actually. Some people go here to fish. They have a beautiful landscape over there. As of now, only me and Vanya as a visitor here. But maybe since hot weather or summer is coming soon, there will be lots of people, visitors here. So again, this is located in Santa Catalina, Negros Oriental. There is a signage across beside the highway. So it's easy to find, or you can use Google Map if you want to go here. So going here, as you can see, very steep. So I do not suggest you to come here by 4 wheels. Maybe by ano na lang. If your car is front drive, maybe, but I'm not sure. But we go here by motorcycle, me and Vanya. 1 meter. I half meter. And
We actually planning to plant that kind of bamboo in our place, make as a border. Oh. And also we can make this as furniture because this very nice bamboo for furniture.
yeah, or for plants,
Oh.
and naturalist for plants.
Very beautiful view. And look guys, there's
Ray of sun.
yes,
Ray of sun. Ray of sun.
very beautiful.
Yeah. I'll put it here in the middle. Wala man yung plant. Diba? Dere.
Oh.
Wala man yung grow. Three.
Three?
Ay kamay. What about kani? Another panino? 4.
Let's plant some more.
Kani? Upat ra. Anak na lang.
Oh.
You add. Kira ni. Let's go.
Мамачка make smoke for lamok. Yeah, we already went home and we already replant our tomates. Can you take the pot? You remember what in the pot that before? You want I will take? I can take.
It's okay ra.
I don't like to eat parts from manok and skin because it smells not so then.
No, I washed it with
Soap?
vinegar.
Supposed to be
With
washed
soap.
with soap.
No, I washed it with this one.
Ah, with Zonrox. Would be
Yeah.
better, yeah.
Kira?
Kera. And right now we're going to use this pot for smoking. What are you going to eat today?
Ginisang manok with bell pepper.
Wow.
Because you have lots of bell pepper.
Yeah, we need to eat it. Today we eat, ano,
You want with
salad.
ginger?
Ayaw, I don't like ginger so much. But there's fats, many fats.
I really like our bell pepper. Our bell. Yeah. So I just cooked this chicken with salt and pepper, onion, garlic, and I add their bell pepper. And I told Vanya a while ago I should add more bell pepper. Lami. Crispy.
Let me try out. Crispy. Crispy, Petrovич.
Больно же. Коть.
Crispy.
Как тошнит. Дайте ему кусочек, вот меня.
Vanya is going to transfer the spider. There's a big spider here staying for long na. Ooh, very big.
Sorry to disturb you. Ma, it's venomous.
Venomous?
Yeah, very venomous.
Oh my goodness.
He will not kill you, but I will transfer to those bananas.
Ah, we will get banana fruit. The other one, the other side. Vanya is cleaning in the banana area. Because they grow well and they give fruit easily once they're cleaned. Diba? Diba?
Okay.
York. Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing great, because we are doing great here. As you can see, it's been cleared, not totally all, pero it's cleared little by little. Okay. And then over here, yesterday, Vanya and I measured the distance of our plants going to plant. We're going to plant here mulberry and over there citrus plants, and we actually have two. We have one lemon and one calamansi there. Calamansi, and that is lemon. So from the border, we measure the distance is 5 meters from the border, and going down, that's 3 meters apart. 3 meters, 3 meters, and then here, that is 4 meters apart. 4 meters, 4 meters. So Pop said it's not enough, the distance not enough. But since it's small trees, small plants, not like big trees like manga or like those big trees, so I think 3 meters by 4 meters is good enough for this kind of plants, right? Because we're planning here to plant 3 calamansi there. One, that's our first 1, 2, 3. 3 meters apart. Enough, right? Because it doesn't grow so big. It's not a big tree. And also for lemon, it's not so big. Mulberry, not so big. So the distance is good enough. But over there, we will plant big trees, so we need to have longer distance between them, because there's gonna be big trees. Manga and pomelo is big, so we need to have a long distance. What do you think? Look, it looks better when it's clean, right? And they grow so well when they're cleaned. Very fast. They give fruits very fast when they're clean. Yeah. And what other citrus plants do you think we can grow here? We already have small plants to be transferred. Over there we have mandarin, more calamansi. We need to find pomelo. I mean, we have pomelo already. We need to find more lemon. We couldn't find lemon for sale here. We need to go to Valencia. Right, love?
Huh?
We're going to Valencia to buy lemon, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? What other
I think no need
citrus
to plant
plant?
here anything. No need it here.
Why?
Because there's still the big tree.
Oh,
You
see?
know, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. We'll see. Maybe we'll change our mind.
Yeah.
If this compost will be cleared,
Yeah.
maybe later on we'll
Yeah,
plant
later
big
on.
tree, another one. Because we still have compost there, big compost. We have compost there. We already have there little compost. And we're starting to clear this part. So we will make their compost, love.
Huh?
We'll make their compost.
Yeah, there will be compost. Many compost.
Yeah, so we will dump all this area of grasses here. Grasses from this area, we will dump it there. Because this one's already big. And that one from up, all grass and bushes from up, we'll dump it there. And that area, we already have little compost. And there's a big hole there. And we will make their compost. Because after this coconut, as you can see, there's a big hole. So we will dump those bushes, mga trees or grass. We'll dump it there to make compost there. We're going to make many compost everywhere. Right, love?
Yeah.
Right, guys, so that's our chicken house. Not yet finished. We already ordered bamboo since we're out of bamboo. It's still down. We're looking for this guy who can bring us our bamboo by his carabao, with the help of his carabao, but we couldn't see him. And what do you think, guys? I'm planning to plant here. There will be fence. They're going to be fence here, and I wanna plant here Madre de Agua. But I told Vanya maybe not good idea to plant here Madre de Agua because it will block the view from, I wanna see chicken from our payag. So if I'll plant here Madre de Agua, we could no longer see chicken. So what if I'll just plant it here, right? And here just maybe small, I don't know, because Madre de Agua is, they will really block the view. So maybe just here Madre de Agua. And over there we will plant manzanitas. You know manzanitas? Or manzanitas here. No, Madre de Agua here. I want to have Madre de Agua because we can use it as an alternative food for chickens. It's great for chickens too. I don't want to plant here. Just let it be. Nothing, only fence and this, and after citrus plants, right? I don't want to block the view. Alright, guys, so we already, Vanya made a hole, another hole yesterday. And yes, as you can see, our soil is not so good, right? It's clay. See, it's really hard. It's clay. In local dialect, kuan daw ni, it's pansil. Really, it's clay. So what we do, we dig, and you already know we have lots of compost. So we're making good soil. So this is how it will look like. We dig and then we dump their good soil so that our plants will grow healthy, right? Nice. And aside from that, we also give them fertilizer. We tried giving fertilizers to our plants first time, and we learned from our experience. So before, what we did, we directly we mix it with water, the urea fertilizer, and we pour it here. So the leaves, they were burned. Now the next day, as you can see, that's the effect, that's the result of pouring fertilizer on the leaves. So the next day we noticed, I actually noticed that the leaves are burning and they're falling. So I told Vanya maybe we will not do that because the leaves are going to be burned, they're falling. So instead of pouring it on the leaves, we pour it directly on the soil, but away, not really close to the plant, like maybe just around the plants, not directly to the plant, because it's a strong fertilizer. It can burn your plant, so do not pour it directly on your plant, just around it. And my husband is doing something great. Tada, look at him.
For making compost is better.
I think this is good for my cactus, Christmas cactus, instead of the charcoal. Should I dry it under the sun pa? Or it's been... Yeah, it's not so fresh, diba?
Buntot. I see
It's
buntot
been out of...
there near the second. Around there.
Ay, tura. I think if we check it there, we can find quail
But it's
eggs.
very difficult to check the road.
Mga quail eggs, man.
Yeah, I know, but check difficult.
I remember in Darwin before, we just walk in the field and we find mga quail eggs.